Hello! In front of me I have X-WATCH Joli XW Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down on the screen to open the quick panel, like this. And once you open the quick panel, you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this. I like the clock icon. This is the watch face icon. Tap on it. It will open the watch face menu, and here we can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. Find the watch face you would like to use on your watch, and then tap on it to select it and apply it. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.